My name's Ben Gilbert and I am the Supplier Development Manager at Nature's Way Foods. Nature's Way Foods is a fresh produce business. We produce ready-to-eat bag salads, bowls, trays, coleslaw, potato salads to the majority of the UK retailers. Ultimately, we're looking at ways to reduce costs and complexity within our supply base team, within our supply base itself. With myself initially leading it and a cross-functional team within Nature's Way Foods, we came up with the concepts and the proposition to the business that polishing within the business was the right thing to do. Previously, before investing in the polisher itself, we were buying peeled carrots from an alternate supply and putting that on stock. I think that one of the significant benefits that polishing on site gives us is that we're actually polishing from a raw stock to order, which means we're using a fresher product. It's also reducing some of the waste based on a sales forecast, because we're previously having to order in stock on a 3 to 4 day lead time, whereas now we're processing to order.
My name is Antonio Ramalho. I work for Nature's Way for 23 years. I work in different factories as well. I mean, salad, fruits. At this stage, I'm responsible for this area. Basically, what we got here is Wyma vegetable peeler. We got three programs. Basically, just needs to fill up the tank with the water. The machine fills himself automatically because it's already programmed. From that, you just load the product, load the raw material. The raw material passes through the polisher and end up peeled on one of the dollars that after we distribute by our factories, all the other factories.
From an improvement perspective, as I mentioned previously, we're able to procure crop now direct from farmers, which enables us to select the right crop for the right time of the year from the right region, giving us the security of supply that we and our customers need to maintain our current businesses. When we done our initial desktop study around who supplies what equipment, there's a lot of kit out there that is not necessarily stainless, it's painted, it's not painted galvanised. So from a hygiene perspective, that doesn't enable us to mirror what we do in our high care and low care factory. So that was a primary focus that the Wyma machine actually delivered against. Another area that was imperative for us was ease of use and longevity of the wearing parts, taking into account carborundum versus brush, for example. The brush peelers are more adaptable when you've got hard skin and soft skin. They also last a lot longer than what a carborundum peeler would. Therefore, changeovers of brushes or sandpaper bars is much more infrequent, meaning we have less downtime. The Wyma UK team generally have helped us out of a few holes, basically due to those guys holding a large stockpile of wearing parts, which without that we would have come unstuck a number of times, I think. So from an after sales perspective, having that broad UK support network is key to our success in this field.